A beautiful backdrop idea from Shimmery and Glittery. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shimmery and Glittery. Friends, if you like my video, please do subscribe and press the bell for notifications. We'll be using these to make the backdrop. Colorful crepe paper, colorful pom-pom, Gota Tikki, pencil, knife, scissors, glue gun, bangle, glue, stapler, needle and thread, a few bottles, Gota lace and beads. Let's get started. Take the empty bottle, take a knife and cut it carefully a little above the halfway. Once it's cut, take the upper part. Now we'll wrap it in this crepe paper. Apply white glue. Along the edges. Now wrap it around the bottle. Never mind if it's uneven at the bottom. We can cut it with scissors later on. Twist it at the top. If the paper moves up, pull it down a little. Trim off the extra edges. Apply glue in between the folds of the twisted part so that the paper holds on firmly and is not loose. I have covered all my 11 bottles in similar way, of which 2 bottles on the sides are of a little bigger size. We'll be making marigold flower with this crepe paper. Draw a circle using a bangle. Once it's cut, we'll be stapling the pieces together. I'll be stapling it in 2 directions. By chance, if any piece comes off from one pin, the other pin holds it. To begin with, I am making 4 cuts horizontal and vertical to each other as reference. Then continue as I have done, all around the circle. Now carefully lift each layer of paper and collect it towards the center by gently pressing it. Be careful, it must not come off the pin. Now the next layer. Similarly, keep doing with each of the layer. You are on your way to make the marigold flower. I am sure you will be happy with the result. See, this is how each layer is lifted and gently pressed towards the center. Once it's done, crumble the flower in your hand to give it a look of marigold. Doesn't it seem like a real flower? I have made a tray full of marigold flowers for the backdrop. Now we'll be decorating the bottles that we had covered with crepe paper with Gota lace, Gota Tikki and pom-pom using hot glue gun. Our vibrant colorful pieces are ready. Now we'll be working on how to hang these pieces. So here is how we are going to make a colorful backdrop. So we are making a string of beads and marigold flower, keeping in mind that the centermost piece will be the smallest, and as we move towards the side, the hangings will be longer in length. These two pieces which I'll be using in the extreme ends, I tend to make them differently. I'll be using golden beads and pom-pom for these instead of golden beads and marigold flowers, as I have done in my earlier pieces. Once the required length is achieved, I'll be sewing in the Gota lace so that it's convenient to tie the backdrop. Gota lace at the top end to tie in all the backdrops. Time to set up the backdrop. You can use this backdrop for Diwali decoration or other festivals like Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, etc. It's also a good idea for wedding functions like Mehndi or Haldi ceremony. And why not for birthdays, baby shower or homecoming? It'll look beautiful. I am covering the upper part of the wooden frame with the Gota lace. It's almost done. See how the useless and waste bottles turned out in this beautiful backdrop. Best out of waste. Now this is where Mata ka Darbar will be set. And red Gota jewelry always associated with Navratras and Durga Puja. All set and done. Hope you like this concept. Your comments and suggestions are awaited. If you like the video, friends, please press the thumbs up button. Do remember to subscribe and also press the bell for notifications. For new ideas and concepts, do keep checking out my channel Shimmery and Glittery. Thank you.